Utopia has been in the data business for about 14 years now. We started out in the master data quality business and eventually grew to be a company that does a lot of work in all facets of data management, data governance, data migration. And in the last few years, we became a SAP software partner. We have 2 solution extensions on the SAP price list, both around master data governance.
Why do customers from utilities and the oil and gas industry come to you?
Our solution targets heavy asset industries, and the heavy asset industries have a very interesting challenge when it comes to managing their assets, both in terms of maintenance, spare parts optimization, operational efficiencies, capital projects, shutdown turnarounds. And a lot of the core building blocks for those initiatives or business processes are around enterprise asset management. Our solutions, both services as well as the software, support the efforts of the customers around master data governance. For example, a big heavy asset customer cares about managing master data around equipments, functional locations, bills of materials, maintenance plans, task lists, work centers, core building blocks that allow them to do maintenance planning and scheduling and optimization. In addition, we are now offering connections and interfaces to unstructured content. So we're providing solutions both for structured and unstructured content.
So the reasons they come to you is always costs and operational efficiency then?
It's a little bit of both. It's not just cost and efficiency, but it's also things like environmental health and safety. It's regulatory compliance. It's capital project information handover. It's things like mergers and acquisitions. So there's a lot of work that requires the core building blocks of data to be in place. So we provide solutions for, of course, operational efficiencies, costs, but a lot of the work we do also helps in top-line revenue generation.
You started a project with Shell. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Sure. Shell is one of the flagship innovation partners we have. We've done work for Shell in the past around master data for their assets in Canada. This time around, we have done a lot of innovation around the asset master data and managing asset master data and asset unstructured content under a very easy-to-use interactive platform. And that's an area where we are collaborating with Shell. It's a product called the EAM Workbench, and we presented that at the conference today.
Why is it so important, you think, for the industry to really collaborate, to share information, to work together in networks with partners?
I think there's a couple of reasons. First, the current environment needs a lot of new innovative ideas. People are looking for ways to run their businesses better, improve efficiencies, reduce costs, and they're looking at their peers. They're looking at other customers. They're looking at partners like Utopia to see what we have done successfully to allow them to deliver these results. The second thing is that the content for the digital transformation is becoming increasingly important. So over the years, master data, unstructured content has really become the heart of what I call the digital core. And when you look at an enterprise, most enterprises have a digital core. It's just that the level of maturity they have could be different. So whether you're level 1 maturity or level 5 maturity determines whether you're able to achieve certain business outcomes that the new technology platforms provide. So we believe that the various systems of record have both a challenge and an opportunity, and hence the conversations at the conference like this have been very productive because we are able to bring to bear and bring to the conference ideas around how to manage the digital core.
So there's some truth to the statement that data is the new oil?
Absolutely. I believe data and information, if you want to include the unstructured content as part of that, is absolutely the core. I call it's the most valuable currency of the digital core.